Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all TikTok reposts at once. Alright, let's begin. First, open the TikTok app and tap the repost button in the navigation bar. If you want to delete a repost individually, tap the video, then tap the share button at the bottom right and select remove post. However, this method is slow if you have many reposts. To delete all your reposts at once, go to the top right corner and tap the settings icon. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll to the bottom and choose Report a Problem. Tap Creation, scroll down and select Saving Video. Next, choose Issue with Saved Videos, tap No and then Need More Help. Select Account, then I want to delete my reposts and tap the thumbs down icon for Not Helpful. Type Yes and send. Then type I want to delete all my reposts and send. When TikTok responds again, give a thumbs down, type no, and send. Repeat yes and no as prompted until you get the option to submit a ticket. In the ticket, write, "Hi TikTok support team, I have too many reposted videos and I would like to remove them all at once." Submit the request. Within a few working days, TikTok will remove all your reposted videos. So that's basically how you can delete all TikTok reposts at once. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.